In this video, I'll show you how to create a make one right increase in the Western method. The make one right is a one stitch increase that's created by lifting the bar between two stitches from the row below and knitting it so that it twists closed. The make one right has the right leg of the stitch crossed over the left leg of the stitch, giving it a right leaning direction. To create the make one right, take your left needle and insert it from back to front into the strand of yarn that connects the last stitch from the row below on the right needle to the stitch on the left needle. Insert your right needle into the front leg of the bar from front to back, and then knit the stitch. This creates a twisted stitch in the row below that leans to the right. See how the right leg crosses over the left leg? Let me show you that 2 more times. Take your left needle and insert it from back to front into the bar, placing the strand on your left needle. Insert the right needle into the front leg of the bar from front to back, and knit the stitch. Here we go one more time. Take your left needle and insert it from back to front into the bar, placing it on your left needle. Take your right needle and insert it from front to back into the front leg of the stitch, and then knit it. And that's how you create the make one right.